Hello and welcome to Product Critique. Today I'm talking about the best chew stop spray for horses, Ultra Chew Stop. If you own a horse stall or barn, you know how frustrating wood chewing, blanket chewing or blanket wrap chewing can be. That's where Ultra Chew Stop comes in, a powerful deterrent formulated to keep horses from chewing on wood, blankets, wraps, or even manes and tails. Ultra Chew Stop works by giving surfaces a hot pepper taste that horses find unpleasant. The active principle relies on capsaicin, the same compound that gives chili peppers their heat, to create an aversive sensation when horses attempt to chew. Studies have shown that capsaicin-based repellents can significantly reduce licking or chewing behaviors in horses, and even lead to a learned aversion over time. One of the great advantages of Ultra Chew Stop is that it is reportedly non-toxic and non-staining. Safe for use on a variety of surfaces including wood stalls, fences, blankets, bandages, even manes and tails. Once applied, you simply let it dry. For blankets or wraps, spray or wipe until damp and allow to dry. For wood stalls or fences, use a sprayer or brush, let it dry, and the effect becomes long-lasting. The taste remains and is not easily washed away by water until you clean with shampoo. Using this spray can significantly cut down the amount of maintenance needed to keep stalls, fences and equipment intact. Rather than constantly repairing chewed wood or replacing blankets and wraps, a single application can deter chewing behavior, saving time, money, and preserving the safety and comfort of your horse. Of course, no spray can fully replace proper stable management. Wood chewing is often a symptom of stress, boredom, lack of adequate forage, or insufficient turnout. Many experts recommend combining deterrents like Ultra Chew Stop with environmental improvements. Ample hay or forage rather than concentrated feeds. Sufficient turnout or exercise. Social interaction if you keep more than one horse. Enriching activities like toys or chew-safe items to redirect natural chewing instincts. If you're looking for an easy, effective, and safe deterrent for chewing issues, Ultra Chew Stop deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you liked this review, hit the like button and subscribe for more product breakdowns for equestrian care.